pilote professionnel, j'ai été impliqué dans le développement de la B3 GT3, mettant à contribution mon expérience de la course dans la mise au point de cette sportive si spéciale.
The B3 GT3 uses the exceptionally smooth 3-litre 6-cylinder engine from the B3S bi-turbo, which provides plenty of torque for effortless performance. We had lots of fun combining the different interior elements on the B3 GT3 to give the car a really special feel. As a special option, the B3 GT3 is also available in the official Alpina GT3 race car design from the B6. This is achieved by means of a full body vinyl wrap on the basis of a black paintwork.
Alpina won the GT3 championship in Germany last year. To celebrate this victory, we decided to make a very limited special model out of the BMW Alpina B7 GT3. This model is limited to 99 units and has a lot of racing-related parts on it. For the first time in history, an Alpina road car has downforce. Another quite visible thing is the new wheels. Like the race car, these wheels are a forged design and they are very light. We developed an exhaust system together with Burkard and saved 11 kilograms. We achieved a great sound and 8 horsepower more.
L'équilibre de la B3 GT3 est parfait, avec un comportement neutre lorsqu'on l'emmène à la limite. Son moteur puissant et coupleux en font une bête de course pouvant être utilisée quotidiennement.